Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Lenovo ThinkPad T16 driver. So you can see, open any browsers and type to Google search box. Okay, you can see here in the search box, and get light lust click to open new tab, which is pcsupport.lenovo.com, which is Lenovo official website. Any device, any drivers you can need, so you can download and install it. Okay, so there are two type to install the driver. So first you can click to scan now to automatically scan and require driver to install it, just one click. If you have to facing some issues and if you have to suppose install separate driver, so you just click to download, select a driver manual. Slow down, you can see this is camera driver. Okay, find out the camera driver and then click to download. Now this is starting, you can see this one download in the process. Okay, so wait few seconds. Then first click, then yes, then okay, then next, I accept, then next, install, next, install. Then you can successfully install and then okay and finish it.